Have you ever been to Starbucks and tried that banana bread? Oh, it's awesome. Is it awesome or not? So, we're going to replicate that. And it's going to be even better than the one at Starbucks. Because I used to have it every day when I worked in Penn Station. And that was my breakfast. But, so I developed a liking for it. I analyzed it and everything, and I came up with this recipe. So let's go to the ingredients for my Starbucks copycat banana bread. So for this recipe, what do we need? We need bananas. I need 3 ripe bananas. The riper the better. If they're overripe and the skin starts to get black and stuff like that, just keep them in your refrigerator until you're ready to make this recipe. 1 stick of butter, softened. It has to be room temperature. We're gonna put that in there. We need some mixed spice and some cinnamon and some vanilla and some nutmeg. I'm going to put all the measurements in the description box below. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, that's baking soda, sorry. This is baking powder. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon. 1 cup of granulated sugar. And I have 3 tablespoons of regular milk, whole milk. 2 eggs. And my go-to, my secret ingredient, so to speak, is rose water. I usually put rose water in most of the baked breads, the sweet breads that I make, and it gives it a wonderful fragrance, and you know, it keeps you wondering. Anyway, we're trying to copycat this Starbucks thing here, so we're going to forget the rose water. So we're just going to do the basic ingredients that I just mentioned, and then we're going to add some nuts to that, some pecans and some walnuts, and we're going to go from there. So right now we're going to go to the stand mixer, and I'm going to put my stick of butter in there in the stand mixer, and the sugar, and we're going to cream the butter and the sugar until it gets really light and fluffy. So let's get that going, and we'll be right back. So while our butter and sugar are getting to a nice fluffy consistency, I'm going to measure out our dry ingredients. I need 2 cups of flour, about 1.5 cups. Right? 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'll put a teaspoon of baking soda in here, and a teaspoon of baking powder. To this we're going to add a dash of cinnamon, maybe half a teaspoon. Looks like a lot, but it's not. Get that fragrance. Some mixed spice, another half a teaspoon of mixed spice, not forgetting the salt. give just a generous mix so that everything can be mixed in with the flour. Now that that's mixed in, now that my butter and sugar come to a nice light consistency, we're going to add the bananas in there. Adding the bananas. And let that mix and incorporate very well. In the meantime, I'm going to just crack the yolks up here. So that's what's going to go in there next. And we incorporate our eggs. Room temperature milk. Scrape down the sides. And we let that mix for at least a minute or two. So let's continue with our fragrance enhancers. Vanilla. Teaspoon of vanilla. Nutmeg. Oh, these are the nutmegs that are really straight from the island of Grenada. I haven't even taken the shell off yet. So I'm going to take the shell off of one of these guys and we're going to use them fresh. I just took a spoon, cracked the shell, and here it is, that wonderful nutmeg that we're going to grate. But when I'll grate my nutmeg onto the flour, you get a good tablespoon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of freshly ground nutmeg. That fragrance is fantastic. Great, that's enough. So now that our mixture is really incorporated, we just start adding the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. We're not going to add it all together. On a slow, very slow mix here. I'm going to add a quarter of it. Let that incorporate. Slowly. Guess I can add the rest of this one on. And there we have it. The banana bread batter. That's working. Just gonna scrape all the sides down. I have a prepared pan loaf pan, a prepared loaf pan. Pecans. At this point, I'm going to add my pecans. Then I have some, I reserved some for the top. So there we have it. Our banana bread batter. We're going to pour this off into our prepared pan and we'll go from there. A little more, little extra pecans that I have. Awesome. And this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about an hour. Okay guys, just think again about that Starbucks banana bread that you've been buying. It's almost $4 or $5 a slice. Come on now, you can do it right here. And here, this is my finished product. Awesome. Wonderful textures. The nuts on the top, it's nice. You have that crust, the lovely crust, and the inside is nice and soft and chewy. Oh wow. You just need some coffee, tea, anything, and just have a go at that. It is fantastic. All right, let's break a piece off here. Yeah, just go ahead. It's yours. Just break it off. Taste test. Oh. Damn. Good. Really? You don't need to go back there. Just do it. Do it on the weekend when you have some time, and you have it for the entire week. Take it to work every morning and have a ball. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. Excuse me talking with my mouth full. I'm so excited. Bon appetit.